Here's a collection of titanium strap watches that ensure more durability, less weight, and prevention from rust. First up, the Tissot Men T-Classic Round Blue Watch. It has a scratch-resistant sapphire glass, analog dial, and a distinct titanium strap. Features like battery end-of-life indicator, date feature, and water resistance improve reliability. This casual watch also has quartz movement and three-hand functionality. Next, we have the Titan Metal Mechanicals Anthracite Dial Watch for men. This timepiece offers exceptional strength, durability, and a lightweight feel on the wrist owing to the titanium strap. Powered by precise quartz movement, this analog watch ensures accurate timekeeping. It has a mineral glass, water resistance up to 50 meters, and a modern look. Last, we have the Seiko Astro Nexter GPS Solar Titanium Watch. It has a sapphire glass, 100-meter water resistance, and solar quartz movement. Its exceptional features include anti-magnetic functionality, dual time feature, GPS functionality, and a perpetual calendar.